Hey everyone, another little trick I do for ice fishing. If you're like me, you're on a budget, the wife doesn't want you spending a bunch of money on fancy ice fishing stuff like power augers and whatnot, and say pop-up ice fishing blinds. Those are pretty expensive, over $100 on up. You know, you can get a really nice one for like $300-400. Those igloo insulated ones. What I use is my hunting blind. Works great. Pop it up. You say, what do I secure to the ice with? Well, here you go. You get your little drill adapter. You buy yourself a couple of these big leg bolts. Hook this up to your drill. Then you just drill the bolts right into the ice, like that. Nice and secure. Boom. A little snore on the bottom. We learned that the hard way last year. Me and my buddies from work were ice fishing, and I didn't have anything to secure it with. It was super windy out, and the thing almost blew away. We had to chase it across the ice. So then we had to park our cars, kind of block the wind, and connect it to the hitch of my buddy's truck. Let's come into the inside and show you how slick this is here. Don't mind my thing is getting old. Got the heater going. Plenty of room in here. There's plenty of room for 3 guys. I really like this pop-up blind. I've used it a lot, and it's toasty warm in here. You don't need anything special. You don't need any of that special insulated bull crap. Hunting blind, your little buddy heater, bring your drill, you're good to go. That's all I'm about. Saving money, having fun, on a budget. If you're like me, on a budget, menards, $1 a drill, or $1 a bolt, $4, and I'm sure you have sockets. Get the little adapter, pop it on your drill, boom, there you go. Quick little something for you. Anyways, take it or leave it. Have a great day, guys.